Hello students, now we are going to see about the Carnap map with a 4 variable. So as I already told, a 4 variable will have 16 squares. Okay, so I have taken a square, I have divided into 4 rows and 4 columns, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. 8 will be down. Okay, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. So you know how to do it. It is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So one bit to the next bit should have only one bit change at a time. Similarly, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so I marked it in terms of the variables A, B, C, D. That's my input A, B, C, D. So I marked it according to the variables. Now this is given an equation. Now you have to minimize this equation with some sigma m. So it means that it is a SOP value. It is a min term. So wherever you have the min term numbers, you're going to mark it as 1. The remainings will occupy 0. So now let us mark it. It is 0. So first cell is marked as 1. It is 1. Second cell marked as 1. 2 is last one, 1. 3 is here, 1. 4. 4 is 1. Next is 7. 7 is mid one, 1. 8 comes down, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next is what? 12, then 14. Okay, once your marking is over, the remaining position all are treated as zeros. Okay, now you are going to combine the neighboring ones. So this is 4 ones you have it. 4 ones bottom we have it. You can fold it like this. You can fold this end and that end together. Imagine you are folding. So this 4 ones are folded with the 4 1. So you see here all are changing. In the bottom all the variables are changing. CD bar, C bar D, CD, CD bar. Nothing is fixed. So you cannot take the expression. Whereas if you look into this particular thing, this is folded with this value. So which is common value here? B bar is common. Therefore, the equation output by folding this row with this row, the equation value is B bar. B bar. Next you come around, this 4 ones you can combine. So this is next grouping. This 4 ones you can combine. So once I combine 4 ones, all are changeable. You cannot write. Therefore, you can write only the column 1 C bar D bar. So second equation is C bar D bar. Now come for the 2 ones adjacent. 2 ones adjacent. So 2 ones adjacent is what? You have to find out the 2 rows. Which is common here? A is common. When you come to this column, CD bar. Therefore, you will have A into CD bar. A into CD bar. Next 2 ones you are going to combine. When I combine these 2 ones, CD and the row side, A bar is common. Therefore, A bar CD. A bar CD. Therefore, the final minimized expression for after combining all the ones in 4 variables is B bar plus C bar D bar plus A bar CD plus A CD bar. So, this is the least minimal expression you can obtain using a 4 variable mapping. Now, we are going to move into next concept. We are going to include don't care condition in K-map, which means that along with the min term, you will be added up with certain don't care condition. That don't care will lie as 1 if it is adjacent to the nearby one. So again, your further minimization is possible if you go for number of variables in the greater stages. So let us assume a 3 variable now. A, B, C, a 3 variable K-map with the don't care conditions. So you will have a min term. This is the equation given where you need to do the K-mapping. Min term 2, 3, 4, 5 plus sigma D, which means that this is called don't care values 6 and 7. So you need to first mark it. So let me take a 3 variable mapping. 4 columns with 2 rows is the 3 variable mapping. Now 2 will take high value. 3 will take high value. Okay. 4 and 5 will take high value. This is over. Min term is over. Now you come for don't care. 6th and 7th position. You are going to mark don't care. X is treated as don't care. X is treated. 6 and 7 I am marking with X. So this X, whenever it is adjacent to the available ones, you can treat this don't care as 1. So I can club all the 4s together, 1, 1, and this don't care will become 1 at this moment. So all 4 1. So you can form one grouping. Similarly, this 1, if you do it as 2 ones, let us assume you can do this way. Okay. If you do 2 ones, what is the equation you will get it? If you do this as 2 ones, what is the equation you will get it? A bar and common term is B value. Okay. Now I can combine this 2 ones along with my don't cares. And this don't care is already a used don't care. You can reuse the don't care to make a chord. I made a chord. So if I do a chord, okay, if I do a chord, what is the equation I'll get it? If I do a chord, this is A bar, A. Both are changing. I cannot take the value. In this column, what is common? B is common. Therefore, the answer is B. See, here I have to use one AND gate. If I make a chord with the 2 don't cares which is already reused, I can reuse that same don't care. My expression will reduce to B. So you have reduced the expression. Therefore, by using a don't care, frequently that don't care can be repeated wherever possible. You can reduce the number of logical gates to the minimized function. So A bar B is reduced to B because of this don't care condition. And again, similarly, if I use this as 2, you will get 2 values. If I use it as a 4 numbers, I get only a single value. So the answer is A, the answer is B. Or otherwise, it will be A bar B and B bar C. So you have reduced the usage of gates. Now we are going to use only 2 inputs. When I want to draw the circuit diagram, A is one input, B is one input. You are giving to a logical gate, or the answer is F is equal to A plus B. If I don't use the don't care, it will be like answer is what? If I don't use the don't care, answer will be A bar B plus, if I again combine this one, it will be A B bar, A B bar. The answer will be nothing but A and B. You put a NOT gate, you put a NOT gate, you put one AND gate, we put an AND gate, then we have to use a OR gate. Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, this is how you do it. So this is very much difficult because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gates used. Here you are using simplified by using a don't care, you have only 1 gate. So you have reduced your expression from a bigger number of gates to the minimized value. Therefore, this is correct. Hence, we are ready to use a don't care if the don't cares are lying adjacent to the existing ones. Okay, next we'll move on the same thing to a 4 variable map. Okay, we are going to do a 4 variable map. Let me take this first one. Second one, you try it by yourself. After you watch this video, try yourself. First one, I have taken A, B, C, D. It's a 4 variable map, so put a 16 square box and mark it with the min-term values. Now I have a min-term 5, 6, 7, 12 and 13, and the don't cares are 4, 9, 14, 15. So all these min-terms will take 1. All the don't cares number will take X. Okay, mark the value. 5, 6 and 7 is 1, 1. 12 and 13 is 1, 1. Don't cares are 4, 9, 14, 15. Okay, so now we have marked it. All others will take the value 0. If nothing is there, put it as zeros. Okay, I have made the box full. Now you have to see what combination you can club through. See here, you have 2 ones, again 2 ones, 2 ones. Actually, if you want to do it is 1 time here, again 1 time here, 1 time here. but the equation will become bigger size. So instead of that, you can combine the near available don't cares. It is adjacent. Therefore, you can have this one value, this one value, or otherwise you can have one big 8 octet. You can have one octet. Instead of having one chord, you have two chords. Again, you will have two equations. Instead of that, put one octet together. So what is the answer? One octet answer. These are all changing. The answer is only common is B. Answer is B. So instead of using a 2 mapping or instead of using a 1 chord mapping, now we are going to combine the don't cares. In such a case, it makes one octet. Therefore, the minimized expression when I do with an octet is the least value. Therefore, the answer is B. So make sure that when you do a K-map, your mind setup is in such a case that you should have a minimized value of variables in the expression. That carries the weightage of your marks. Some people will do this with the chord. That answer is correct. But your cost of the hardware, because you are using more number of gates, I am using no gate. So in that case, cost of your hardware is higher. So your marks will be reduced when compared to the person who gives me this answer. So always make sure you have to find out, you have to be smart enough that to combine a don't care with a 1 in such a case that you reduce the number of gates. And always make sure the second point is you can use the X, the don't care, any number of times in the same circuit. If this X is left over, if it is not able to combine, just leave it as it is. Don't care. That X will be now treated as 0. If you don't care it, it will be treated as 0. If it is combined with 1 and form a grouping, it will be treated as 1. Okay. With the second problem is left over as an assignment to you. You sit and work out and see. I have given you the method. Now you slowly start doing it by yourself and check whether this answer is correct. Okay. Thank you.